I gotta ride with my kind on safety, so I don't go shooting where your nigga be. Girl, you dodging bullets trying to play me, and I'm left to deal with how you say me. You got a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. You got me running around and I never chase it. Your face so pretty to me, make up and make it. Your face so pretty to me.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Amber K back again. As you can see, got a Fashion Nova. She's my address. Fashion Nova bag that's just delivered. This is my second one. The first one I had was actually some jeans. I actually ordered some more jeans and a shirt off of their Black Friday sale that they had. So it came in 2 days, which is good. And now they have a new thing. So 2 days, $6.99 shipping, and I think the jeans I paid was $6, and then the dress was like $6-7 also. Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm gonna open it. Okay, this is what I got. These are my 2 packages. Actually, the dress, I think it's the Blocking Your Ex dress. I got this in the size large, and it's black and yellow. And then I also got these jeans. I got them on the plus size. It's supposed to be size 14, which they are. The last pair of jeans I got, and I think these are G Caprines. The last pair of jeans I got, they were actually, I think I just ordered a 15. I got a 15, 16, but they fit perfectly. I'll come back with those later. But these jeans were actually $6. They were on clearance, and then you had the 40% off. So we came out to $6. Then regular price was like 10. This dress was 20, and then I got 40% off. So it made it like $12, maybe a little bit less than $12. Hold on. Oh, this is the dress. It's so cute, so long. I'm gonna try to start doing try on hauls for you guys. I'm gonna see how I'm trying to work that with the camera, and I'm able to plug everything in. But this is the dress. Again, it's Blocking My Ex dress. I think it was $20. Regular price was $39. So they marked it down to $20. Then I got additional $40 off on the Black Friday sale, which they extended that sale. I think it just ended. And this is the Blocking My Ex dress. And the jeans are really cool. Ankle black jeans, which is nice. And when we're ready for work, and maybe some other occasions. But these are really nice. It's a size 14, which they should fit because they were on the large side. These jeans are by Wax Jeans. I actually seen Wax Jeans, Rainbow sell Wax Jeans sometimes. I think I actually have a pair of Wax Jeans, and they fit really nice. And who else sells Wax Jeans? Ross. So I see Wax Jeans and Rainbow and Ross. So those, they're really nice. The jeans are like a jeanish material or whatever, but also like a dress casual, so it's like an in-between. But these are really nice. I like them. The dress is actually, let's see if it's focus. It's actually like a net sweater, net material, if you can see. That's what it's like. Again, the dress should come to my ankles or a little bit past it. So this is going to be nice. Alright. I also got they always send you a code. So that's one of the codes. They want me to join share. So what y'all do? So again, this is Fashion Nova. This is probably like my 3rd, 4th item out of Fashion Nova. Maybe I'll do another Fashion Nova haul with the jeans that I got, a dress that I got, and a set that I got. Alright. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Later.